Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Esim request you want to cancel. You need the account, device model, and ICSID so you don't remove the wrong profile. Once logged into your carrier app or portal with two-factor authentication, navigate to the Esim or Device Profiles area. Make sure to choose Pending or Recently Activated Requests rather than Active Service if you intend to stop a pending install. This prevents accidental loss of an active line and keeps your primary number intact. You now perform the cancellation step. Select the exact Esim request and choose the cancel or remove action presented. When prompted, confirm the cancellation so the system marks that request as canceled. You should see status change to canceled or failed. If the app doesn't expose a cancel option, contact carrier support via chat or phone, provide the ICSID, request ID, and your account details so they can cancel server-side. Doing this prevents the profile from auto-installing later. Once canceled, verify the change in your account history and confirm the Esim profile is gone from the device list. Restart your phone to clear any pending installs and confirm the profile doesn't auto-install after reboot. If you still see the Esim or the carrier reports failure to cancel, escalate. Capture screenshots of statuses, note timestamps, and open a support ticket or request supervisor help. This documentation speeds resolution and allows reversal only if you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.